Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel Merrick from Merrick Makings in Australia. I am jumping in really quick today to show you how easy this DSP is. It is from the new annual catalogue. It is called Flowers Frames. It is very, very pretty, has the most gorgeous colours in it, including this Lost Lagoon, pretty in pink, pumpkin pie, and a couple of the greens as well, including granny apple green, which is one of my favourites. So this DSP, there isn't a lot of it in a pack, and the reason of this is because that it is a more specialty pack. It actually contains several of these die cut elements, and here is one of them now. So this one is a circular one. They are all ready to punch out. There are, I think, 3 pages of them, and all a great variety. So you get to build a card with this. It's basically like a kit that you can create with almost. So I am creating a very simple card with some of that floral background, and then I'm just using a panel in the middle, which I have matted in the white basic cardstock, and adding a bit of twine as well as that circle die cut element. I love these kind of cards. They come together really, really quickly. I don't have to struggle too much to design something for them. And you will see that I do use the Spotlight on Nature bundle. So it is a beautiful stamp set with these nature, floral, leafy kind of elements, as well as some cute sentiments. And I have used the dies. The dies are actually these series of concentric, I think they call it, circles. So it is circle upon circle upon circle that all fit inside each other. Some of them have like a ribbing on the edge. Some of them have this gorgeous little eyelet die cut, which is the one I'm using today, and I'm inking up there with some Lost Lagoon. So these different circles can be popped up on a page with a straight circle that you've die cut, or perhaps several of these different edge featured ones, and they look really, really pretty without having to add too much to your card. So you'll see that I'm adding, now that I've inked the edges, I am going to add a little bit of a texture element, and that's in the form of the leaf stamp. And I'm using the sentiment from this one as well, and it is thanks. Now, yes, I have not added my backing to my stamps, probably very naughty of me. I don't tend to all that often. I seem to just throw them onto my stamp block and use them as they are. So you can see this one is going to be another really fast card. I don't tend to make cards that take a lot of time unless it's for a special occasion. So I am using, just like I said, that die cut circle on top of that punched out element, and I'm going to layer them up onto the card here. Pretty much done there, guys. It is so simple and so easy. Like I said, I added the twine, and you would have seen I went around a few times, and then I went back in and did the bow later. Of course, no card is complete without a little bit of bling, and here we are with some of these dull silver sequins. Thanks very much everyone for watching. This has been so much fun. Bye bye.